Goats for sale. There's a sign I didn't expect to see today. Good morning, everybody. Well, I say morning, it's almost afternoon. Today we are out on a ride. We're going to go and we're going to an antique motorcycle show. This is apparently the third annual one they've put on at Dohertys Tavern, which is in Prior Lake, Minnesota. Very cool area, cool biker bar. Yeah, so we're going to do a video today. Just want to do a little ride down there. I'm hoping to shoot some bikes and yeah, just have fun. A couple of really good buddies of mine are going to be there, and we had been planning this thing. It was supposed to happen yesterday, and then we got some pretty bad storms. They were calling for really bad storms in Minnesota. They ended up not being. We didn't get it as bad here. They were calling for a heavy hail and all that fun stuff, and we just had rain here, so they postponed it until today. So today we're gonna go check this little thing out, this soiree they're putting on. What a beautiful day there's got a few clouds in the sky, but nothing to get upset about. It has been unbearably hot here, because hot in Minnesota also means very, very humid. So we've been in the upper 90s with high humidity. And today, when I left the house, I believe it was 72 degrees. And I actually thought about throwing a hooded sweatshirt in the saddlebag just to have it, because I'm not used to it being that cool. My helmet, for some reason, seems to just be picking up all the road noise today. I tried switching to a full face helmet, hated it. Like my modular, went back to the modular, and it just seems like maybe I'm just not used to the helmet since I haven't ridden for a while. It just seems like it's very noisy and it's very distracting to me. Do you even look? Nope. Why would I do that? Why would I look? I'm busy on my phone. I know a lot of my friends were out in VAM for VAM 22. I missed it. I didn't get to go out with you guys. My fear of missing out has been huge. Maybe next year. Really hoping I can make it next year. That would be a blast. It's an awful way from my house, to be quite honest with you. And I don't know do I trust the old Goldwing to go 1,500 miles? I mean, it's a solid bike. It doesn't have many miles on it, but it is a 99. You know, and it ain't like I have a chase vehicle to pick it up and bring it home. So that kind of makes me nervous. But I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so I know it was hot out there. Hope y'all stayed hydrated, had fun, got to hang out and enjoy each other's company and whatnot. I expect to see a lot of videos coming out, guys. Let the rest of us live vicariously through you, since I didn't get to go. But anyways, I know I've heard other people talk about this on the YouTube, doing videos. Would you rather go freeway or rather go back roads? Here's my take on it. I believe you have less chance of being in an accident on the freeway, even though we're going much faster right now. It's much easier to keep that bubble around you. Like, I've got a car coming up here on my left. As soon as he gets near me, I'll back off the throttle just a little bit to give it a little bit more space. I need that space. We all need that space around us. Because people drive crazy. So, yeah, I believe there's less chance of having an accident out here than in a city town, city streets. So that's why I kind of prefer the freeways over city streets. Although when you're riding through town, you get to see a lot more. I'm just kind of bombing it down there at 70 miles an hour. If I were on the city streets on my way there, I'd be doing 35, 40 and see things going on, But I might also see people pulling out in front of me. So there's that. It's a little give and take. A little of this, a little of that. I'm comfortable on either one. I need a road trip adventure. I keep having these crazy thoughts about jumping on the bike, riding out to Sturgis, stay there long enough to get my iRoad Mine patch, grab a beer, and turn around and bomb it back home. It's only about a 10-hour ride. I mean, that would be an adventure to tell people about. Here's an idea. If the guy who designs roundabouts watches my channel, which I highly doubt, if you could comment below why you put that big mound of dirt in the middle so we can't see through to see if anything is coming. So you almost have to not come to a complete stop, but I mean a really good stop. Oh, this is going to be fun on a 1,000-pound bike. Just go for it, baby. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with me on the ride today. Going to the bike show. It was a great day. Just want to say thanks and tell you, if you like what you saw, hit like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, hit the bell, do all the things. Keep making more, let me know what you want to see. And yeah, that's about it. Anyways, love you, mean it, peace.